Hey fam, this is Jonathan and my sous chef pan. Today we're here to show you how to make oven fried chicken, or you could say chicken fried in the oven. Ooh. Now, we've been working on this recipe for the last several months and we are super excited, aren't we? To share with you guys how to make it yourselves. Here's what you'll need.
For your brine, you'll need 2 tablespoons whole grain mustard, 1 to 2 cups pickle juice, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, and for your dry ingredients you'll need 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 tablespoon garlic powder. For the chicken in this recipe, we recommend the dark meat, the thighs and or the legs. Now for the breading, you'll want to go with 2 to 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 to 4 cups of breadcrumbs, depending on the amount of chicken in your recipe you're going to be using, how much you're frying. For your egg wash, of course, eggs, we're looking at 4 to 6 eggs. And then for both the breading and the egg wash, we want to replicate the seasoning palette that we used in the marinade. So you want to get a taste of that seasoning throughout the full bite of chicken. So about 1 tablespoon, I'd say 1 tablespoon of most of the seasonings into the breadcrumb and flour mixture, and then a little bit of hot sauce mixed into your egg wash, I think goes a long way.
While marinating your chicken in a recipe like this is super important, it doesn't have to be all day. If you don't have a lot of time, this marinade will work great if you could only leave it even for an hour, it'll be fine. But I do recommend anywhere from 12 to 24 hours to get maximum flavor. Just take all of the marinated ingredients and just kind of throw them right on top of the raw chicken in the bowl, and then give them a nice rub down. Make sure that all the seasonings and all of the wet ingredients are nicely incorporated into the chicken. Okay, your prep work is done. Now you have beautifully marinated chicken, you have a seasoned egg wash ready to go, and your flour and breadcrumb mixture is ready to become crispy fried breading. We also have a little sheet pan here, which is where we'll put our final product. So now what we're going to do is a traditional double dredge. Different people set their dredging station up in different ways. My favorite is using a brown paper bag, straight from the local grocery store. I told you for your breadcrumbs and your flour, you want to do 2 to 4 cups. Basically, your ideal is to cover the bottom of the bag. You want so wherever your chicken lands, once you shake it up, you get a nice even coating on that chicken. So a little bit of a trick that I developed on top of that was there's little permutations inside paper bags when you get them. So if you just go to town shaking everything together, you're going to get flour and breadcrumbs everywhere. So I like to take an additional plastic bag and wrap that around my paper bag, and then you're all good to go. All right, so we take the chicken, we put it in the egg wash, back in the crumbs, and then we get this. Whoa! There we go. Okay, so that was super fun. Now, if you use the extra plastic bag over your brown paper bag, it's going to allow you to be a lot more vigorous with your shaking, and you'll get a great coverage on your chicken for all your breadcrumbs and your flour mixture. Hi, Pan. All right, so now we're ready to go into the oven. Oven should be preheated to 350 degrees. I prefer to use 2 frying pans that are oven ready for this recipe. So you take each frying pan, you use a half a cup to a full cup of oil in each. Because the pans are already preheated, once the chicken's in there, it's already cooking. You get it into the oven from there, and then you're basically cooking in the oven or frying in the oven for 30 minutes, flipping the chicken, 30 more minutes, and you're ready for fried chicken. Yes.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard. you're walking, or you and your homies popping line and talk.
Okay, folks, so there you have it. We have perfectly fried, delicious chicken, fried chicken straight out of your home oven. You love it too? All right. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like this episode or any of our other episodes, please like and subscribe to J&M Productions. Thank you.